I just like him.
Sit, but then he'll be like,
the best. Like, I've been around so many expensive cars in Rocky.
Big sexy. Fuck yeah, this thing's sick.
That's sick.
Isn't it?
Dude, we could have some good fun.
Look at the wheels on it.
That's sick.
Oh no, man. It's so fun. I like all the aircraft detailing.
And the whole door there they come in.
Never seen one, eh?
The front would be like in there.
Have to be under the seat. Can't be anywhere else.
No any place to put it. I was like, yeah, is it?
Fuck. That thing's nice. That's fucking nice as fuck. That's nice as hell.
Wait, that's done. Couldn't be done better.
I know.
Literally. I don't think you could have done better.
Matching luggages. That's fucking nice. Okay.
The seats in the upholstery. Two-seated toy. No, probably five-seated those.
Yeah. Nice fucking engine on that. That's sick. Yeah, it looks tough as.
Hurricane forced induction man.
It's mad with carbon.
Nice and actually aspirated. Kept nicely. That's big.
There's fucking heaps of good cars in there. There we go. Muscle.
We got an oversized one here. This is oversized.
Smallest one here. Highway Asylum. Oh, that's tidy.
Big Detroit too.
I do not miss smoking on these.
Okay, it's mint. I reckon calling it early. A couple more to look at yet.
I meant for
Oh,
an
it's
everyday.
clean as hell.
Like for an everyday.
Every day.
These, I don't know about these ones. I wouldn't be driving these every day, man. No way.
Yeah, this thing's tough as. Fuck, it's mint. Mint. Yeah, that's tough as. Where do you sleep? You don't sleep in this truck, mate.
Nah, mate. You just drive it. Right.
4 fuel tanks.
Wait, I can just drive, mate. Wait, this is the old fucking speed hub.
Speed cab, yeah, that's it.
Oh, holy shit.
Made for it. Made for it. Definitely. Long streamline. Streamline. Just get you there. I think that's tonnage. That's what I'm like. You get it there.
There we go. Ah, look at this setup. Insane.
Yeah, look, that's no speed cab, bro.
No.
You know what I mean? That's
There's a bit of junk in the trunk.
I live in it. I fucking live in one truck. This thing's off its head. What the fuck is it?
Sick.
It's like 4 turbs.
Quad turbo out off its guts. Fucking Mack truck V8.
Oh yeah.
Good. That's a creation there. That's a full creation. That's fucking on the lip.
You can fit like 3 of me inside of the exhaust.
Fucking trace it down, man. You got fucking these guys, 2 guns at the back, cunt. Like, just the piping down on it, man. Like, just like, wow.
Looks like the plumbing.
And it's got NOS too. It's got NOS up top. Hell yeah. Still a truck.
Yeah, but she was dude, have that in the back of it.
Yeah, they have that hanging off it.
Thanks, man.
Anyway.
Yeah, there's a bit more to it just than. There's a bit more than just truck here. Yeah, look, $200.
$200.
Yeah.
Fuck, swap
Is that
me.
just ratchet on?
Wait, $20.
$20.
Is that just ratchet on?
It's a NOS. Fuck, look at that thing too.
That's nice, yeah.
Oh, schmick. I had to put it on
See
me.
him on the road very often.
Schmick old trailer, fucking everything.
You wouldn't even see that on the road.
Super nice.
I like when you see good old trucks with bigger trucks up and we're towing them, mate. Like, you're just like, fuck it.
Yeah. Every part of that is schmicko. Yeah. That's fucking insane. Yeah. And you just got to throw your chains around it. Just chain it down. Anyway. Fucking clean as hell. Yeah. It's an old school fucking truck. Yeah. Oh, dude, that's amazing. Unbelievable.
Seen this one.
Huh. Wow. All insane, eh? Every part. Fucking old school. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. No, that's full on. Champion. This one. Probably the most.
Oh, I fucking love these sorts of trucks. I think it's fat as.
You know who's got more house now? The one that gets it out of the shovel.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Fuck, look at them spotties. Fuck yeah. This thing's hit a few cows in its day. Hit a few roos. Fuck, it's clean. The meat ant. Fuck, it's tidy. Hey, stunning. For a work truck. It's tidy as hell.
Francis, the Western meat ant.
You can see it gets driven.
Yeah, that's what I mean, bro. That's the work truck.
Yeah.
Or a show truck. Just come, spit and polish it.
Come to the show, yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Put me bloody cover on me greasy bits.
That's it.
Fucking tidy too, this one.
I think it's money they spend on it.
Oh man.
Get it like that.
Insane.
Like all that chroming. It's just like hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's been coming to.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Stunning rig, man.
What a stunning car.
What? Beautiful. It's beautiful, man.
It's like a plum thermal, eh?
Yeah. Nice.
Like it's high. Fuck yeah.
Perfect timing.
Look at this black line. It's just for towing this one. Fucking hell, I've got mags. Gloss black. thing's a beast.
Yeah.
I like that you can see the other stickers it's had over the years.
Yeah, it's off this front.